Hello Tealstreeters, ready to set up your Binance API keys? Follow this simple guide to get started quickly and easily. Choose Create API Key on the Binance website, then select System Generated to proceed. Enter your API key label here and click Next. Now, enter your two-factor authentication code. Click on Edit Restrictions and check the Enable Futures checkbox. Here you'll need to whitelist the IP addresses. You can either add your own or use our Tealstreet network IPs. If you choose ours, click on the IPs and then select Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only. Add them and click Confirm. Next, enter the name, select the tab color, and input both the API key and the API secret key. Select Save on the Binance website, then confirm your 2FA code and the email code. Click Add on the Tealstreet Terminal. You're now ready to start trading. To support our platform, consider using our referral link.